Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to the channel. Most of us did know this gonna happen. Some Jamaicans them start with dislike Nicki Minaj. Them have a saying who say, yo, a man is as loyal as his last meal. And when you can't feed him no more, that's when true colors come out. So in this case, we're gonna talk about Prettii. So Prettii, she always respect Nicki Minaj and Spice. She talk highly of them. You know, Nicki Minaj love Jamaican culture and she always a said lion. So them like that. But let's fast forward a bit. So Nicki Minaj and Blamdem, you know them a par now. Them even the studio session together and thing good for him. But the other day, as you know, Blamdem did pull up on Prettii in her yard in the wickedest way. People did all think a prank until Prettii got reported at the police station. So we know say things get serious. But based on what Prettii is saying, Nicki Minaj did try to buy out the beef. Prettii say, yo, Nicki did a request her account to send funds to squash the beef. But she never take no money. Prettii say, yo, police have the screenshots with everything including the convo with Nicki I try drop the case. Me I gonna make you watch the video and tell me what you think. Nicki Minaj can't come out herself as a big international superstar.
Blood clot people we keep on a talk about bank information.
When Nicki Minaj say read that loud again.
Well, I'm gonna read it again, yeah. Send me your bank information tomorrow. Delete that stuff. My voice is loud as fuck. Come on now. We're not doing that to each other. You want to go live now? Prettii says, I can't. I'm crying. You don't know what was just done to me. That's from before, yeah. So basically, so who did I say she never did offer the money? So why did I never take the blood clot money? Eh?
So me not take the money? Why me never send me money? Why me never go send the why me never go send me account number? Hungry blood clot me.
Let me ask you a question. When she say
work list me
when she say her voice is loud, is the recording she at that?
Hold on. Me want her money so much. Why me never send me account number go give her and delete the video them and don't report it to police?
Me not show no blood clot text because nobody can set me up. She send it to me and me can't see the blood clot WhatsApp and one thing.
All of them,
me have the phone call, me see her name, me see her number, everything me say. Uno go fuck off. That's wrong with Uno no two blood clot licky. The truth done out here beat. You see with Uno now, me deal with Uno bomber clot on the live now. You see with Uno now as blood clot Jamaican. Two people have little money, Uno to make certain things acceptable. We all across each other for blood clot years. No gone. That was passive aggressiveness cause suck on a blood clot mother and two licky until them reach Uno door. And that's with Uno. That's why anybody with
stop when I cussing with the people them down here. Say, hear what me I tell you. You see the money what she the things that she gonna give me for me delete all of that and I say nothing. I did not send no account. Me not send no. That woman don't have no payment information for me. None. Anything that woman ever give me, wanna see it publicly. Lion. That last year. You hear me I tell you? So me never send nothing.
This whole situation is fuckery. She shouldn't be, Nicki shouldn't mix up in none of this. You defend it better.
So what I know when they come out with the narrative about prank? Who was in this blood clot prank? Who?
No. So if you did analyze,
why won't pay me for your prank?
What is the conversation we would be having now?
Mama, let me talk. Why pay me for your prank? If I want prank with me, know about our own rare. Why y'all come dash money in my face and delete blood clot video? Why not go report it? Why?
So Prettii them realize the artists pay you for custom?
Yeah, but some of them feel like say.
Oh. Them realize that when you call somebody name it bring them relevance.
Remember, I mean I always tell us I'm not really cuss vlogger because I don't want nobody to me. I be an artist because we total to with. You feel what me I deal with? Because me like that. Me like when the artist then diss me. You understand what me I deal with? That me like. You see me? Me don't have no time for this. I don't want to be no friends with no bumbo clot vlogger and sit down in a WhatsApp group. And me book a blood clot loan and I saw me sit down with it. Yes,
Which big artist are gonna sit down on live and do this? With we, let's be honest. Which big artists are gonna insert themselves in a Jamaican number?
I mean, yeah, the whole of them are talking about say release, video release, picture. All of them,
hold on.
every one of them, everything was she read out her mouth a while ago.
I just seen everything.
All of the timeline, everything.
I just seen everything.
Every fucking thing.
The 2 video, yeah, him walk up and you're on the phone with her.
She ain't up on the phone.
You're on the phone with her.
Cause she know say them a come. She know. She know in her dirty blood clot self say them a forward, you know.
Cause she. Oh wow. She said I don't even want to go. If you trying to get me in drama with her.
But she, I tell me if you delete them, they said my account number, them here, the whole of them drunk your contact. Bro.
Watch her. And then you're gonna say you're gonna sue somebody over a camera that's over
you sue me for me own a camera with that?
And then you're passively aggressive. Nicki, you have to calm down, man. Nicki, somebody hurts you. That's why I'm telling you, no matter how much money I have for no blood clot, miserable. That's why I'm gonna give a fuck who have name.
No, you can read them again for them. All me want to tell them.
Nobody can tell me.
One thing me I gotta tell you, no, me did have to move
you're
from
lucky,
my yard.
You're not gonna get liar. You're lucky.
Mama, let me tell you something. I had to move from my yard. Me get about 9 different death threats. People all inbox me the address where me used to live. Them blast me address to every bumbleclot body. My phone number, them all of them bumbleclot sitting there, bro. You hear me? I tell you, I not care me if you sit down from Airbnb to Airbnb, so till me fight. I want no blood clot, tell me, say, man, I'm too. When I come blood clot about prank, I know for when I'm glad for sister me, when the world want me dead so much, me glad. Say me I never like Naya and Busset for day I see it.
Okay.
I rejoice over
no,
that the conversation. Like, that the word long time, bro. Like
that money what I've done. If you are dead now, what would we talking about? That's what I want to know.
As I'm telling you, I won't leave for them when you see right so well want to see me then. Believe me. You understand me? Me never see so much people rejoice over me downfall and wanted to see me dead. The amount of comments I read, and I realize that how the bumble like this year. Every single one of them want to see me dead. All of them. And the whole of them run through a prank narrative so much. Because them so glad to see someone out to kill them. They are so glad to see somebody come and me and come violate me. Them glad you fuck. I one of the best day of them pussycat life. But now your funeral I go show you. And Busted funeral don't show you. None of them never never did bumbo clot go mom. Mom,
them not talk about them again.
Listen to what me I say, mom. You talk and leave. That's why I say me know why you say nothing. Me just talk and leave. Me just glad for there and see it. So how much I wanna glad for see me there. Glad. None of them pussy that were coming on me yard couldn't kill me that night there. Remember me pray every night. Me no business how much gun on a bumbo clot have. I would have never run no prank like that for my life. My father friend them guy me at 3 o'clock in the morning and kill him. And put him for bumbo clot rest. You hear me I tell you? Tie him up in one corner and shut out all the yai. All time blood clot. And so me no run gun joke. No boy can't come on me yard, mass up in a nothing. And tip no blood clot prank. You hear me I tell you? And nobody gonna pay me for bumbo clot hold down my trauma. Go suck out on no
yo, this messages is crazy. I'm sorry. Ross These messages is crazy. Well, they can't unmute.
She gone?